Hello everyone. Today, as you can see, we are unboxing the new DEWALT XR brushless drill and our impact drill. This is the new 20-volt XR brushless impact drill. Impact driver kit. Okay, the 20-volt XR impact driver drill comes with the actual drill, a charging bay for the battery, and 2 batteries, and a holster clip, and the case. You install the battery like this, and as you can see, it's pretty strong. It's made in the USA. Here's a comparison of the two DEWALT 20-volt driver or drill. This one doesn't have the impact, so you can do the drilling and the driving, but you have to add additional force. It has the same battery size, so it can be used for either one. But the impact driver now has this extra torque that you don't have to put an extra force. Now we can use my bit that I just purchased also. This one would just slide in to this one, like that. And then to release, you just have to pull this. Release. And to insert, just push. Bingo. Comparison for the light. This one has 3 lights. This one only has 1.